It's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm just going to take you through setting up the social feeds we've now added to Foundry for WordPress. To begin with, we're going to create a fresh new page just for the video. Just call the page Social Feeds. Within the Visual Composer blocks now, you'll notice we've got a few social feeds to choose from: Instagram, Flickr and Twitter. We're going to start by showing the Twitter feed. Now the main thing you're going to need is a Widget Id, which is something you need to create yourself on your account. And to do that, simply head to your Twitter page, and under settings you just need to click widgets down here. Obviously I've never done this before, so we're going to create a brand spanking new widget. Now this stuff here really doesn't particularly matter. What we're interested in is the details it gives us, so we'll just create any old widget there. Okay, so we can see that's been created, and what we're going to need to do, if I just grab this, we actually need to grab the ID of the widget, which is in the URL bar here. And the bit we're looking for is just after the widgets slash and just before the edit slash here. So it's just this numerical portion here we need. So we will cut that. Don't need that anymore. And we'll pop that in there. And we've got a couple of options how we want to display the tweets. We'll just choose the carousel for now. Just hit save. And then let's take a look to see how this looks on the front end. Okay, so we can see the Twitter feed there. Next up we're going to show the Flickr feed. We'll go back into the page and drop in the Flickr block now. For this you're going to need a couple of things, your user ID and the album ID that you want to display. Now to get the user ID, it's pretty straightforward. From your Flickr account, just log in and head to your profile as it were, and if you click on photo stream here, just in the URL you'll see a numerical portion just before the final slash. So you want to grab basically all of that, and we'll copy that into the user ID section. And to get the album ID, just navigate to the album you want to display, and again in the very top here you'll see another numerical set right at the back of the URL, and we want to copy and paste that in there as well. So if we hit update, okay, let's refresh. There we go. We can see the Flickr ID down there. Sorry, the Flickr widget down there. So there we are, and that's how to set up the two new blocks within the Foundry theme for WordPress. We do have the additional Instagram block as well, which we've shown you how to set up in the other video. I hope this has been useful. Any problems, just come and see me over at support. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.